Procreate is a popular digital drawing app for iPad, designed for artists of all levels. Here's a brief tutorial to get you started. Create a new canvas, open Procreate, tap the plus icon, and choose a canvas size. For detailed work, use a higher resolution, e.g., 300 dpi. Select a brush, tap the brush icon to access a wide range of brushes. Adjust brush size and opacity using the sliders on the left. Use layers, tap the layers icon to create, merge, or delete layers. Layers help you organize your artwork by separating different elements. Apply gestures. Undo, 2-finger tap. Redo, 3-finger tap. Zoom and rotate, pinch and twist with 2 fingers. Add effects, use the adjustments menu, magic wand icon, for effects like blur and color adjustments. Export your work. When finished, tap the wrench icon, select Share, and choose your preferred file format, PNG, JPEG, PSD. This quick tutorial walks you through the basics of using Procreate, from setting up your canvas to exporting your final artwork. Consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials from CyberTheo.